Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic I really love, and it's how to make money with affiliate marketing. Especially, I'll be sharing with you 5 ways you can make money with affiliate marketing. So, whether you have already started your affiliate marketing business, these tips can help you increase your earnings. Hi, my name is Victoria Ku. I'm a digital marketer and a full time mom of four. If you're interested in learning more about digital marketing and how to make money online, and how to build a business that will allow you to achieve time and financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to my channel as I'll be posting new valuable content every week. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you'll get notified as soon as the new video is out. Now let's get right into it. So the first way you can make money with affiliate marketing is by creating content. Now, content creation is one of the most common and effective ways you can use in order to start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, this includes creating blog posts, YouTube videos, or short form videos, or any type of content where you can share valuable tips, hacks, and how to use the product or service you want to promote, and then you add an affiliate link in it. And the way it works is that whenever your audience purchases through one of those links, you get to make money with it. So if you're someone that likes to recommend things to friends and family, or you like to create Facebook posts, Pinterest posts, or blog posts, then this is a great way for you to start making money with affiliate marketing. And the best part of all of this is that you can promote anything you want. Email marketing is another powerful way to make money with affiliate marketing. And I could say that this is one of the best ways you can make money with affiliate marketing. By building an email list, you are building a great asset that will allow you to make even more money, and it will allow you to promote multiple offers to the same audience. So the way this works is that by building an email list, you can send promotional emails with affiliate links or simply newsletters where you add a recommendation with an affiliate link. And then whenever someone purchases from those links by opening your emails, you'll be able to earn a commission. Just make sure that you're providing real value in each email you're sending to your subscribers so that they won't unsubscribe and they will actually open whenever they see an email coming from you. And let me tell you a little secret. Email marketing may seem outdated, but here's where all the money is actually made. And if you didn't already know, in order for someone to actually purchase something from you, and even you, before you purchase something, you need to see and have at least 7 impressions before making a decision and taking action into buying the product or service you want. Whenever you send emails, you are making an impression to your audience, and they will be more open into buying whatever you have to offer if they need it. So in other words, all the magic and all the money is made through email marketing. And if you want to learn more about how you can build an email list and promote multiple affiliate offers at the same time, then you can grab the free affiliate marketing training that's on the link down below, and make sure you go through it because it will go in depth in how you can build a long-term business with affiliate marketing. Another way of making money with affiliate marketing is by doing influencer marketing. Now, there's 2 ways you can do affiliate marketing with influencer marketing. One is that you become an influencer, and number two is that you leverage someone else's, an influencer's audience that he already built. If you want to leverage an influencer audience, all you have to do is partner up with them and ask them to promote an affiliate link to your offer. Obviously, the influencer needs to be within your niche. In this case, you will be able to reach a wider audience, and hence you will be able to increase your sales. Another way of making money with affiliate marketing is by reviewing sites. Now, the way this works is that you can review sites by creating a website or a blog, or by creating YouTube videos. Obviously, what you will do is that you will be reviewing sites within your niche, and you will be able to compare them and put affiliate links there. Just make sure that when you're creating reviews, that they are honest reviews and unbiased. And that way you'll be able to build trust with your audience. And whenever they want a review of something or a comparison, they will go and search on your website or blog. And the fifth way of making money with affiliate marketing is by doing social media marketing. Now, this is a very powerful way of making money with affiliate marketing. By creating engaging and valuable content on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you'll be able to promote products and services and add affiliate links there. So let's say, for example, you're an affiliate for Amazon and you want to promote them on Instagram. So what you can do is that you can create a video or a post about a certain product or service, and then on the highlights on your stories or even on the links, you can go and add it there so that people can go and purchase that product or service if they want to. Now, there's a way you can use social media marketing, content creation, and email marketing in order to build a long-term affiliate business and more traffic without having to pay any ads. And if you want to learn more about how you can do this, make sure to grab the free training that's linked down below on the description. All right, so those are 5 effective ways you can start making money with affiliate marketing, or that you can add to your affiliate business in order to increase your sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.